we're here in Richmond, where I'm going to show you how to arrange this week's flowers. So who we got this week? Purple alstroemeria, eryngium thistle, lovely Maritim roses, beautiful pink Lisianthus, and the amazing pistache foliage. It's really important to get them in water quickly, trim an inch off the end, and use your flower food. Now to get them in the vase, start with your roses evenly around the edge. Fill the gaps with your eryngium. Next up, your taller Lisianthus in the centre. Do the same with your alstroemeria. Finish by tucking your pistache over the edge of your vase like a nest. And there you have it, a beautiful arrangement. Enjoy!